Hi guys, Brian Adams with Only Wood Floors, and this video is a instant before and after. Here's the entryway and living room, and then what it looks like afterwards. I mean, it's just a total different. This is a house we did up in Fullerton. This next part is the front part of the hallway in one of the bedrooms. I mean, couldn't even tell it was oak flooring. Once we sanded and got the clear coats on it, I mean, take a look at the difference. That's mind-boggling. And then as we move through the house, you'll see the back part of the hallway and the back bedrooms. Same thing. The hallway received so much wear and tear. I mean, that's why it's so dark. And the hallways, the bedrooms have had carpet over them for the over the years. We went in and sanded it 8 or 9 different grades, 3 coats of clear polyurethane. Actually, this one we ended up staining a very light gray. But you see the difference. Here's the front part of the house again, the living room over into the kitchen, and the back area. You'll see we added an entirely new floor. It was concrete. We had to install plywood, and then the new wood, the same dimensions, 2 inches wide, 1/2 inch thick, and sanded, stained, and finished everything. So there's sweeping up, installing, and there it is. Look at that. So with the right equipment, it doesn't take a long time, but man, what a difference. It just changes the entire house. There's nothing more you can do to a house to make it change so drastically than a hardwood floor. Any questions? Ask us, hit us up. If you want a copy of our book, 9 Secrets to Refinishing Hardwood Floors, reach out to us. We'll get that to you. Onlywoodfloors.net. Onlywoodfloors.net. Find us on YouTube and Facebook. Thanks, guys.